Hello friends, welcome back to Into channel. If you use Git and terminal a lot, then you might have wondered how can I see the current branch right inside my terminal? Well, by default, terminal does not show the current branch you are working on, and the command git branch can be annoying if you type it every time to check the git branch. So well, I'm here to save your time and give you an amazing trick using which you can show the current branch which you are working on in the terminal itself. So without further ado, let's dive in. So here you can see I have cloned one repo called rag AI catalyst. Now this rag AI catalyst has lots of branch, and if you are using VS Code, you know that on the bottom left corner we can see all the branches. So current branch is main and these are the rest of the branches. But in the terminal, if you want to see all the branch, you write this command. Now using these commands, you know these are the branches and current branch is this one. But this is VS Code's facility. But what if you are like me and you like to use separate terminal for it? Let's say for example you are using a separate terminal where this repo is. Now here you are not sure which branch are you in. So for that you would do git branch. Now you know that you are in a main branch. So let's say there are 10 or 20 branches, and you will have to check again and again which branch are you in, whether to push or pull or not. So you have to check out branch and etc. But there is a simple trick. Just a few lines of code, you add it and it will show you the branch. In Linux, there is a one file called .bashrc. So in that file, you can add few lines of code which I'll be showing you soon. And after that, the branch will be shown in the terminal. So for that, first we will write this command, nano bashrc. Now what it does is opens a bashrc file which is by default made in Linux and Ubuntu. So you have to go to the bottom of the file. Okay. Now this is the code which I'm talking about. It says show GitHub branch. If you are using Linux or Ubuntu, all you have to do is just copy the code and paste it here. By the way, for pasting you can use Ctrl+Shift+V or right click of the mouse. Either will work. So I have added here. Now all you have to do is just save the file. So how do you save the file? You can press Ctrl+S or you can type Ctrl+O, which is like a write out. So we are going to do Ctrl+O. It says do you want to save it? I say enter, yes. And if you want to exit, you can type Ctrl+X. But you might be wondering where is the branch. So since we have added in the bashrc file, we have to reload the terminal. So we can do source. We are going to use and see after restarting the terminal, it says main branch. If I go to different branch, bleeding v1, and it says you are here. Same goes for VS Code too, because terminal is same everywhere in Linux or Ubuntu system. But right now you won't be able to see here because we have updated the bashrc file, but this terminal has been opened in a different environment. So we have to close it, open it again. Once we open it, we see the branch name here. So either you can see it from here or here, but you see how convenient it is to see from here instead of typing git branch. But you say, hey Pintu, how do I undo it? You can type again nano bashrc, go to the bottom and then delete it. For fast deletion, you can press Alt or Enter. Again, after deleting, Ctrl+O, overwrite, yes, enter, Ctrl+X, save. And we have to restart and it's gone. Same goes here if I just Ctrl+C, but I have to restart it because this is an old terminal, and see, I won't be able to see. So this is how you can use bashrc file and this code to show the GitHub branch in current terminal. I have put this code into description, as well as I will provide you a GitHub link from where you can just copy and paste and put it into your Linux or Ubuntu system. I hope this video helps you a lot in your project, and if you like this video, please comment down and let me know whether you knew this trick before or not, and also let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me, and I would love to make videos on them. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye.